Okay, Oga, I greet you. I thought of making this video now for you to see. Then I'm just going to open this thing now. That's open. This is your parts inside. Ima, I better come. But it's a bit heavy. I can't use one hand to carry it. Come and bring out this inside this pack. Put it there. This one is the thermostat. Then bring out the second one. I mean, this is the water pump.
Why this one?
This one is the thermostat. See the way we're giving. Oh, what thing be that paper inside? Okay, this is your. I guess this is your receipt. Put that one inside. Open this carton. Take this thing. Okay. Don't dirty it. Put on forgive me. Okay. Okay. All right. Ha. The other one be not there like this. In fact, this one came with a bracket too. This one came with a sitting by the side. Why the former one that we bought came with only this plate? I don't see this thing there. So this is it. So this one is the water pump. Why this one is the thermostat housing. The thermostat is inside. This is the housing. That time we brought out this plastic from your own. This inside was empty. There was no. This is the thermostat inside. This place was empty. So that's how it is. So I think I can show you the two. That's all. This is your car. So we'll start to think how to lose it now. But this work, I don't know if we'll be ready today, because we'll have something else doing. Thank you.